These instruction booklets might help somebody from my Baziak, because I heard about his Concept 1 video, and I'm very sorry to hear about that. Sometimes if the belts gets a bit disintegrated, I think there's a very good website, eBay, where you can get belts for your Concept 1 or Parmax models. Yep. This one does have a very good, decent cord on it. Just in case if it does get frayed, it's best to get a new cord, so we would have no problems with that. Oh, and the press of this goes up, and also this goes up and down. And also this handle goes up and down, so it's kind of a. And also this handle goes up and down. It is normal for this vacuum. Sometimes if a handle breaks off like the Concept 1 does, it's best to replace that with the Power Surge grip handle. I've seen some Concept 1 cleaners that look like this Parmax. Some Concept cleaners can take some Concept cleaners can take 12-volt headlights like this vacuum. Yep, it tells you these booklets can be a help to repair belts and also headlights on the vacuum. Yep. And yeah. Some vacuums like Concept 1 or Parmax does take in like pet hair. That's probably a good thing, but not really, because the dog hair can be a little stringy at the beater brush. And speaking of beater brushes, this vacuum is due for a very new one. And I thank Virgo 93 for that, and also thank you for letting me know about that. Yeah. Just in case of these buttons comes off, just in case this switch does come off, maybe easily put back on again, or if it's sometimes serious, probably need the yellow pages, where you can call and have it fully repaired. Well, thanks for watching, and thank you for watching Mark's vacuum repair advice video. Bye.